You are currently looking at an Alfa Romeo 156 that participated in the 1998 24 Hours of Spa. It was driven by Alphonse Staals, Cédric Laurent and someone by the name of Derek Bell as part of the Padua Cannonball Racing team. Even though this beautiful 156 has been a race car for all its life, it has been beautifully maintained throughout the years. As often happens with these cars though, they do undergo some changes in their respective history, and it looks like this car has been retrofitted with facelift 156 bumpers and a rear spoiler delete at some point in its racing career. The car started the race in 37th place with a qualifying time of 2 minutes and 58.9 seconds. Unfortunately, the car didn't finish due to a broken cardan joint, forcing the 156 to retire. Little is publicly known about what happened to the car after it left 24 Hours Weekend back in 1998. We are now a few decades later and we found the car for sale right here in Belgium. Of course, we couldn't resist going over to take a look and plan a shoot with this stunning machine. It appears that much of the engine is still in stock form. We assume it has sharper cams, but other than that it doesn't really seem like a lot has been done to the engine. It has been fitted with a professional roll cage, and of course there is an endurance fuel tank in the boot of the car. Looking at this 156 from the rear, it's also very obvious that it has a lot of negative camber, giving the car a more mean look. That is of course even enhanced further by the full slick tires it is currently fitted with. Overall, it feels truly special to be near and in a car with such interesting racing history, and it's times like this when you simply wish you had some extra cash laying around. Owning a car like this with actual local race history would be an absolute dream. However, the 156 is headed to its new owner in Switzerland, and we are very sure it will be treated well by the enthusiast who bought it. Now obviously we couldn't pass up on giving the car a few revs, and Retroschaft wouldn't be Retroschaft if we didn't share that experience with all of you. The Spa 24 Hours is a race that is extremely special for us, as of course we grew up watching all sorts of races at this legendary track. That is why we decided to actually build a recreation of the 1994 race winner, which actually marked the first of BMW's 5 consecutive wins with the E36 platform. In order to do that, we bought ourselves an E36 318IS, just like the one with which the race was won back in 1994, and we're now slowly building that car into a proper racing machine. There are a few episodes about this build already live on our channel, and we have a few more on the way. On top of that, we're looking to do a few serious mods this year and are very excited to see this build progress. Thank you very much for sticking around. I hope you learned something new today and enjoyed a deep dive into the history of this stunning Alfa Romeo 156. As usual, we'll see you in the next one.